Dear Lord, please cover our family with your protective wings. Shield us from all harm and danger, and keep us safe in your loving embrace. Lord, bless our family with unity and strength. Protect our bond from any forces that seek to divide us, and fill our home with your love and harmony. Heavenly Father, place your healing hands upon us and protect us from illness and disease. Grant us health and vitality, and keep us safe in your care. Almighty God, provide for our family's needs and protect us from financial hardships. Bless us with your provision and wisdom to manage our resources well. Gracious God, protect our minds and hearts from anxiety, depression, and stress. Fill us with your peace, joy, and strength, keeping us mentally and emotionally strong.